How many crates on this row?
Almost done with the 5th one.
Peach juice production starts immediately.
In the quiet hours of the morning, we begin the gentle task of gathering the sun's bounty. Each peach.
Look at the color on these.
Absolutely perfect. We'll fill this crate in no time.
Production begins immediately after harvest to preserve the peak freshness of the fruit. Production begins immediately after harvest to preserve the peak freshness of the fruit.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how peach juice is made, from fresh peaches to delicious bottled juice.
Its peak freshness and flavor.
Remember, careful handling prevents bruising and damage, ensuring the product arrives in perfect condition.
Utilizing high-speed imaging and precision robotics, we identify and immediately divert any product failing to meet our stringent quality standards. Upon arrival, peaches enter our stabilization buffer zones. This controlled environment, combined with rigorous hygiene,
The peaches are transferred gently, ensuring the cushioning protects the fruital's integrity throughout the process.
Every peach undergoes a gentle yet incredibly thorough cleaning process. High-pressure sprays remove all residue.
Our state-of-the-art drying process guarantees product consistency. Advanced laser sensors and automated sorting
the mechanical precision ensures a uniform texture, resulting in a rich, premium-quality golden peach puree.
Our advanced pasteurization process ensures total safety, while the precise temperature control locks in the fresh flavor.
Precision is paramount. Once samples are cleared, only the approved juice moves forward. Rejected batches are immediately diverted for reprocessing. Precision engineering and rigorous sterilization ensure that every bottle is filled to the exact level, maintaining perfect consistency and hygiene.
Automated cameras scan every bottle for imperfections, ensuring only the highest quality peach juice makes it through.
Automated cameras scan every label and cap alignment, ensuring zero defect quality control. With cinematic precision, these robotic arms stack the peach juice. Then the pallets are wrapped securely.
Welcome to the future of logistics. Our autonomous systems handle high volumes of precisely secured. The journey from our orchard precision, technology, and care deliver freshness to the world.